Touch what you hear. Meet WiiM Sound. A compact display first smart speaker with a 4-inch woofer and dual tweeters that deliver high-res audio up to 24 bits, 192 kilohertzes, and up to 100 watts of peak power. AI RoomFit measures your space and auto-tunes for balanced, precise sound. The 1.8-inch touch display puts playback, sources, quick EQ, groups, and presets right at your fingertips, no phone required. Cast or connect your way with your favorite apps, no lock-in. Sync music across rooms or pair two for true left-right stereo and a bigger stage. Start favorites with one tap, wake to music, rebroadcast line in to every room, and lift voices with movie mode's enhanced dialogue. Control with the display, the WiiM Home App, Alexa, or Google via compatible devices, and yes, the voice remote is in the box. WiiM Sound, high-res power, precisely tuned. Touch what you hear.